This is the home screen and act for the roofer solution. We'll step right through it here real quick. This screen here is dynamic group management. Incredible tool. Everybody loves it. Moving on, and we're into the history tabs. This is where everything gets recorded in. You can pull it back up anytime. Roofing information. Obviously, this would be omitted for a claims-only appraisal type of program. Then we move into the appraisal information, appraisal companies, umpire companies, etc. Then you move on, insurance, company contact information, adjusters, attorney contact, etc. Insurance estimate information, depreciation tracking, estimates, what's approved, O&P, etc. Flood insurance claim. Obviously, I'm in Houston, so this was kind of, we got it going on right now. This is the Outlook integration. This is Act for Outlook. It integrates in there and does an incredible job extending Outlook. Then we here have Word documents. You can see the stuff that's highlighted. You just click a button and everything template can be turned into something that you have to go out. That's just a look here at the templates.